can you tell difference if it's boy or girl when it comes to Alexandrian parrot? Well, you definitely can once your parrot becomes, let's say, 6 months old, 9 months old, roughly when males start to grow this dark ring, as you can see around his neck. Females don't have that, okay? That's one way. But can you tell while the baby is still a little baby, like I'm saying, like 5, 6 weeks old? I think there is a way, okay? There is a way to tell the difference in Alexandrian parrots. And I even think you can tell the difference when it comes to ring necks as well. Well, the boys just look like boys. So which means they have a little bit thicker, rougher beak. They have a little bit bigger skull structure, and little bit thicker heads. When you look at them from the front, like that, usually boys, they have a little bit thicker, bigger size, when it comes to the facial, Now, it is a little bit guessing, actually quite a lot, but I think if you got it in your eye, if you actually can tell, then you will be able to tell. Does it make sense? Anyway, please, guys, subscribe to me, to us, and let's go for 3,000 subscribers. See you soon.